In the realm of men's health, there's a curious connection between daily habits and the strength of prostate muscles. Imagine a scenario where a simple act, often shrouded in stigma, could be the key to enhancing muscle tone and overall prostate function. What if this daily routine not only brings pleasure but also contributes to a healthier life? As we dive into the science behind it, consider this: the prostate, a small gland with a significant role, can actually benefit from regular stimulation. Picture the muscle fibers responding, becoming stronger with each session. What happens to those who embrace this practice versus those who shy away? In a world filled with myths and misconceptions, understanding the real effects of these habits is crucial. Could daily ejaculation be a game changer for prostate health? Stay tuned as we uncover practical tips to effectively strengthen the prostate muscles, revealing how to harness this often overlooked aspect of male wellness. By the end of this exploration, insights that could transform your perspective on health and sexuality await. Don't miss out on this journey into the surprising benefits of daily practices. Anatomy and function of the prostate gland. The prostate gland is a small, walnut-sized organ located just below the bladder and in front of the rectum in men. Its primary function is to produce seminal fluid, which nourishes and transports sperm during ejaculation. This fluid makes up a significant portion of the semen, providing a medium for sperm to swim and survive. Understanding the anatomy of the prostate is essential, as it plays a crucial role in male reproductive health. In addition to its reproductive function, the prostate also contributes to hormonal regulation. It produces enzymes and hormones that can influence various bodily functions, including sexual health and urinary control. The prostate's location makes it susceptible to various health issues, which is why regular checkups and awareness are important for men, especially as they age. Moreover, the prostate can be affected by various conditions such as prostatitis, benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH, and prostate cancer. Each of these conditions can impact the gland's ability to function properly, leading to potential complications in both urinary and sexual health. Knowing the basic anatomy and function helps men recognize symptoms that may signal a problem, prompting them to seek medical advice sooner. Overall, the prostate gland is a vital component of the male reproductive system. Its health is intertwined with both physical and sexual well-being. By understanding its anatomy and function, men can take proactive steps to maintain their prostate health throughout their lives. Effects of daily masturbation on prostate health. Daily masturbation is a topic that often stirs curiosity and concern among men. Research suggests that regular ejaculation, whether through masturbation or sexual activity, may have positive effects on prostate health. One of the main benefits is the potential for reducing the risk of prostate cancer. Studies indicate that men who ejaculate frequently may lower their risk of developing this disease. Additionally, daily masturbation can help in flushing out toxins and old fluid from the prostate gland. This process can keep the gland healthier and more functional over time. It also encourages blood flow to the area, which can aid in maintaining the overall health of the prostate. Improved circulation may also lead to enhanced sexual function, making it an essential factor in male health. It's also worth noting that masturbation can serve as a form of stress relief. The release of endorphins during the act can contribute to a better mood and reduced anxiety levels. This psychological benefit can indirectly influence prostate health, as stress is known to impact physical health negatively. However, it's important to approach masturbation with a balanced perspective. While daily practice can have benefits, overdoing it can lead to feelings of guilt or anxiety, which can counteract its positive effects. Therefore, moderation is key when considering the role of masturbation in prostate health. Mechanisms of muscle strengthening through ejaculation. Ejaculation is not just a reproductive act, it also involves various physiological processes that can strengthen the muscles associated with the prostate. During ejaculation, several muscles contract rhythmically. These contractions not only help expel semen but also engage the pelvic floor muscles, contributing to their strength over time. The pelvic floor muscles play a crucial role in supporting the bladder and bowel, as well as maintaining sexual function. By regularly engaging in ejaculation, these muscles receive a workout, which can enhance their tone and strength. Improved muscle tone in this area can lead to better control during urination and improved sexual performance. Furthermore, the process of ejaculation stimulates nerve endings and increases blood flow to the pelvic region. This heightened activity can promote healthy tissue and muscle repair, contributing to overall muscle health. As a result, the physiological mechanisms involved in ejaculation extend beyond reproduction, positively impacting muscular strength. Incorporating regular ejaculation into one's routine can be beneficial, not just for the prostate but for the entire pelvic region. However, it's essential to balance this with other pelvic floor exercises to maximize muscle strength and health. By understanding the connection between ejaculation and muscle strengthening, men can take proactive steps towards better overall health. Benefits of tonifying prostatic muscles. Strengthening the prostatic muscles can lead to several advantages that significantly enhance a man's quality of life. One of the primary benefits is improved sexual function. When the muscles surrounding the prostate are toned, they can contribute to stronger and more controlled erections. This can lead to more satisfying sexual experiences for both partners. Additionally, men may find that they experience increased stamina during intimate moments, allowing them to enjoy longer sessions without fatigue. Another crucial benefit of tonifying the prostatic muscles is the potential reduction in dysfunctions, such as erectile dysfunction, ED, and premature ejaculation. As these muscles become stronger, they can provide better support for the pelvic region, which is essential in achieving and maintaining an erection. Furthermore, improved muscle control can help in delaying ejaculation, offering men more confidence and satisfaction during sexual activities. Beyond the sexual realm, a strong prostatic muscle can also contribute to better urinary control. Many men face issues like urinary incontinence as they age, and strengthening these muscles may help alleviate some of those concerns. With enhanced muscle tone, men may find it easier to manage their urinary flow, reducing the likelihood of unexpected leaks or urgency. Moreover, tonifying the prostatic muscles can lead to better overall prostate health. A healthy prostate is crucial for overall male reproductive health. Engaging in exercises that focus on this area may help promote better blood flow and nutrient delivery, which can be beneficial in preventing various prostate-related issues. Lastly, the psychological benefits should not be overlooked. As men take charge of their health and experience positive changes from tonifying their prostatic muscles, they often feel more empowered and confident. This boost in self-esteem can have a ripple effect, influencing other areas of their lives positively. Additional practices to strengthen prostatic musculature. When it comes to strengthening the prostatic musculature, there are several practices that can complement traditional methods. One of the most recommended exercises is Kegel exercises, originally designed for women but equally beneficial for men. By contracting and relaxing the pelvic floor muscles, men can enhance their control over the prostatic region. These exercises can be easily integrated into daily routines and can be done discreetly at any time, making them accessible for everyone. In addition to Kegel exercises, incorporating pelvic floor stretches can also be advantageous. Stretching can help increase flexibility and reduce tension in the pelvic area, which complements the toning achieved through Kegel exercises. Practicing yoga poses that focus on the hips and lower back can also aid in improving the overall strength and coordination of the muscles surrounding the prostate. Another effective technique is biofeedback. This method involves using devices that provide feedback on muscle contractions, helping individuals learn how to better control their pelvic floor muscles. By understanding how to engage these muscles correctly, men can enhance their exercise routine and see more significant results over time. Men should also consider incorporating resistance training into their fitness regimen. While this might not directly target the prostatic muscles, overall strength training can improve blood circulation and support muscle health throughout the body, including the pelvic region. A well-rounded fitness routine can create a strong foundation for all muscle groups. Lastly, maintaining a healthy lifestyle is crucial for maximizing the benefits of these practices. A balanced diet, regular exercise, and adequate hydration all contribute to the overall health of the prostate and the effectiveness of muscle toning exercises. By combining these additional practices, men can take proactive steps to strengthen their prostatic musculature and improve their well-being. Relationship between masturbation and mental health. Masturbation isn't just a physical activity, it also has a significant impact on mental health. For many men, engaging in this act can help alleviate stress and anxiety. The release of endorphins during masturbation creates a sense of pleasure and relaxation, which can be a natural way to cope with daily pressures. This process allows individuals to unwind, contributing to an overall sense of well-being. Moreover, regular masturbation can improve self-esteem and body image. Many men report feeling more in tune with their bodies and their sexual needs when they engage in masturbation regularly. This self-exploration fosters a healthier relationship with one's own sexuality, leading to increased confidence in sexual situations. Feeling good about oneself can have a ripple effect on mental health, enhancing mood and reducing feelings of inadequacy. It's also worth noting that masturbation can serve as a safe outlet for sexual expression. For men who may feel uncomfortable discussing their desires or who lack a sexual partner, this practice offers a way to explore their sexuality without fear of judgment. This can contribute to a more positive mental state, as individuals feel empowered to take control of their sexual needs. However, it's essential to strike a balance. While masturbation can offer mental health benefits, excessive or compulsive behavior might indicate underlying issues, such as anxiety or depression. If someone finds themselves relying heavily on masturbation as a coping mechanism, it could be beneficial to explore these feelings with a mental health professional. Understanding the role of masturbation in one's life can lead to healthier habits. In summary, the relationship between masturbation and mental health is multifaceted. While it can provide relief and enhance self-esteem, moderation and self-awareness are vital. Recognizing the emotional aspects of this activity can lead to a more balanced perspective on sexual health and overall well-being. Considerations and myths about masturbation and prostate health. There are numerous myths surrounding masturbation and its effects on prostate health, many of which can cause unnecessary anxiety. One of the most common beliefs is that masturbation can lead to prostate cancer. However, scientific studies have shown that regular ejaculation, whether through masturbation or sexual activity, may actually reduce the risk of developing prostate cancer. This myth often stems from misunderstandings about the prostate's function and health. Another misconception is that masturbation can weaken the prostate or lead to dysfunction. In reality, engaging in this practice can help maintain prostate health by promoting regular fluid flow and reducing the likelihood of blockages. The prostate, like any other muscle or organ, benefits from regular activity, which can enhance its function and health. Many people also worry that masturbation can negatively impact sexual performance or libido. On the contrary, regular masturbation can help men understand their bodies better, leading to improved sexual experiences. By knowing what feels good, individuals can communicate better with their partners and enhance mutual satisfaction. It's essential to address these myths with factual information and scientific evidence. Education plays a critical role in dispelling fears and promoting a healthy attitude towards masturbation and prostate health. Understanding the body's functions can empower individuals to make informed decisions regarding their sexual health. Ultimately, separating fact from fiction is crucial when it comes to masturbation and prostate health. By fostering open conversations and providing accurate information, we can help individuals feel more comfortable with their bodies and their sexual practices. This understanding can lead to healthier attitudes and behaviors around masturbation and prostate care. As we wrap up this insightful exploration of daily masturbation and its effects on prostate muscle strength, let's reflect on what we've learned. Strengthening the prostate isn't just about pleasure, it's about enhancing your overall health. Did you know that a simple act can lead to better function and vitality? That's right, ejaculation can play a crucial role in toning those essential muscles. Now, think about your own routine. Are you incorporating practices that support your prostate health? From pelvic floor exercises to mindful habits, there are various ways to empower your body. Remember, it's not just about frequency, it's about how you approach it. What changes could you implement today? How can you make your health a priority? Engaging in these discussions can lead to a more fulfilling and healthier life. If you found this video enlightening, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. We have more valuable insights coming your way. Share your thoughts in the comments below. What surprised you the most? Let's keep the conversation going and continue to explore the fascinating world of sexual health together. Your journey to better health starts now.